Hi, this is John from SpreadServe with a short video demonstrating automated QuantLib yield curve bootstrapping in SpreadServe. Yield curve bootstrapping is one of QuantLib's example spreadsheets. You can get it from GitHub. Here's the sheet in Excel. The Rate Helpers tab contains all the inputs for depot, future and swap rates. The rates themselves in column D are manual inputs. And here's the output from the piecewise yield curve function in columns H and I on the Bootstrapping tab. Let's recalc. All well and good, except that we have no automation. If we want to change the inputs, we must manually enter them on the Rate Helpers tab. And then we have to hit F9. So let's take a look at how we can automate this in SpreadServe. Here's one of SpreadServe's demo spreadsheets, the Yield Curve Bootstrapping Quandl Publisher, which you can get from our GitHub repo. As well as the QuantLib add-in, this spreadsheet uses the SpreadServe add-in, both of which you can get from our Downloads page. The spreadsheet uses RTD, so we must check Auto Recalc is on, and then Ctrl-Alt F9. There are two new tabs, Quandl and S2config. The Quandl tab receives the automatically downloaded data from quandl.com, and the config tab configures the automated download to happen every 5 minutes. A2 to G24 sets up the quandl.com datasets, and the bottom two rows set up a timer that triggers the download every 5 minutes. B2 is telling us the time of the next download, so let's watch it happen. Now let's take a look at the exact same spreadsheet running automatically in the cloud. So that's automatic data input and recalculation dealt with. What about automated output? Well, obviously any number of users can point their browser at the Bootstrapping tab and see the same numbers. They can also use the SpreadServe add-in to pull those numbers into their own desktop spreadsheet, and that's what Yield Curve Bootstrapping Quandl Subscriber does. Here, the S2config tab configures the SpreadServe add-in to do a WebSocket subscription to the Bootstrapping page on our cloud host. The Subs tab pulls the data in via RTD. So we need AutoCalc, and then Ctrl-Alt F9, and then wait for the next tick from the cloud sheet to update our local subscriber sheet. Just to demonstrate the link between the cloud and desktop spreadsheets, let's manually tweak the data in the cloud sheet and see the desktop sheet update. So there you have it, yield curve bootstrapping as a centralized shared service, automatic updates and recalculations, no manual rekeying of data, and all subscriber spreadsheets using the same common calculations and input data.